Hello everybody, here's my 3D question I'm going to work through for you. How to look at a 3D shape and use Pythagoras in there. So this question asks us to find the height of the pyramid from T down the middle to M. So M is in the middle of the rectangle on the bottom here, so it's halfway between A and C. It's in the middle of A and C. So I've got to figure out, if I want to find the height of this pyramid, I need to have that line in my last bit of question. So that one and there will make me a right-angled triangle. So from T to M and then out to C makes my right angle. So I would draw that out separately because this is where I'm aiming for in the end. I know that T to C is 10 meters. I know M to C, I don't know how long it is. So this is the line I need to work out, and this is the question that I've got. I'm going to call it H for height. That's the question that I need to work out. But I've got two unknowns, so I can't just go straight to the answer. I need to figure out how long is this bit on the triangle. That's the bit I need to find out. And I can because it's halfway between this whole line. Look, see that whole line there? Half of that will be the bit that I need to put into there. So can I find out this whole line? Yes, look at that. It's in a right angle triangle here from C to B to A. Remember, this is a rectangle on the bottom. It's drawn off at an angle so it looks 3D, but it is a rectangular based pyramid. So I've got a 7, a 6, and the one that I don't know that I need to find out. So a 7 and a 6 and the one that I don't know. So 7 squared plus 6 squared equals the one I don't know squared. That's the C side, isn't it? So 49 plus 36 is 85. So 7 squared is 49, 36. So this is 85. And that equals C squared. So C is the square root of that. So C is I'm going to round it to 9.22. C is 9.22. So this whole line here, 9.22. So that means that halfway of that is the bit that I need for my diagram. So divide that by 2. We have 4.61. 4.61. That is now in my triangle so that I can work out the height of the pyramid. So we just use those numbers here. Rule A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Put the numbers in. There's our C side. Always do it first. 10 squared. The other two sides, 4.61 squared and H squared. That's the one we need. To get H squared by itself, I need to minus this 4.61. So 10 squared minus 4.61 squared. Type that into your calculator. 10 squared minus 4.61 squared equals 78.74 blah blah blah. 0.74 blah 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 blah. That's H squared. So find the square root of that, square root the answer, and we get 8.9 to one decimal place. 8.9 or 8.874, however many decimal places your question asks you for. So the height of the pyramid, 8.9 meters tall. I hope that helps with working out, well, not only question 12, which I've now given you the answer to, but also the other 3D shapes. So you may need to find other steps in there. Question 11, I think, had a cuboid, so that's why I thought I'd do this one because it's a bit harder. But look at the cube and see how you can draw other triangles within there that will lead you to your answer. As I always suggest, drawing out the triangle separately.